Welcome to homework.
In this question, we are asked to define three equivalent relations on the set of students in a class. So we can decide any relation we want, but it has to be equivalent. And we are asked to find also equivalent class. So it's like we group the student in a class together in into a bundle of the same like quality depending on the relation. Okay, first you can do other like relation as well. These are my examples. First, A related to B if A and B were born on the same day of the week. So equivalent class will be those who were born on the Monday, Tuesday until Sunday, right? In the class of Monday, there will be all students who was born on Monday, and so on, right? In each of these, and all the students will have to fall into one of these classes. Okay, so things about equivalent class is that all of them together will make up all possible choices of like all the possibility that can happen, and all of them union together will be the whole set. So in this case, the whole class. All right. So this is one example. Next, A related to B if they were in the same class last year. So this is also equivalent relation. You can check the three properties, assuming that you stay in the class the entire year, of course. And now the equivalent class will be list of all classes that are available in the previous year. So suppose you have 6 classes in total, suppose, and we call it just unimaginatively class 1, 2 until 6. Then this gonna represent our equivalent classes, and in the one class will be all students that used to be in the class number 1 last year, and so on. All right, this gonna make up all the students as well. Lastly, I choose they got the A and B related if they got the same grade on math subject last year. So equivalent class will be all possible grades, and this may depend on your grading system. It may be the numbers like the 4 until I don't know 2 or 1, but let's just go with A B C D. So suppose they are A B C until F. So D is gonna be equivalent class. They represent the set of students who got that grade on math subject last year. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can decide any relation you want. Just be sure that it is in fact equivalent. So the transitive, symmetry, reflective, all of that, you should be able to check. And that is it. Thank you.